Streamline your device enrolment and app management with this fancy tool from Apple. In this video, we'll be looking at an enterprise service called Apple Business Manager, how it came to be, what it has to offer, and then finally, the steps needed to set it up. In spring of 2018, at a developer WWDC, Apple announced the launch of their Business Manager service. Apple Business Manager, or sometimes referred to as ABM for short, is the natural consolidation of the old volume purchase program and the device enrollment program portal. The service offers customers the ability to adopt modern management workflows for the likes of device provisioning, app management, and managed Apple accounts. It also includes other useful capabilities, but we'll touch on that in a future video. Most MDM vendors on the market do provide full integration support of the Apple Business Manager components, which aids customer adoption because 1. An organisation who has an existing MDM solution need not look any further than their chosen vendor. And 2. Choice isn't limited for an organisation who might want to adopt an MDM solution in the future. And with that in mind, another key benefit of Apple Business Manager is integration is silent and non-intrusive. This means for an organisation who is looking to leverage the service, its components can be either gradually phased in or turned on at day zero. What I mean by this is, let's say organisation A already has a well-established Apple fleet that they are managing with an MDM solution. They might see value to use Apple Business Manager components like automated device enrolment, maybe to coincide that with the device refresh that they have planned for the future. This way, when the user receives their new shiny work device, the enrolment workflow shall utilise Apple Business Manager. Organisation B, however, are 100% greenfield. They are ready to roll out a deployment of work devices and are in the process to secure an MDM solution. In this scenario, volume purchase program and automated device enrolment are perfectly positioned to provide the organisation with a way to distribute applications and provision devices using modern workflows. Now, you may not know this, but Apple Business Manager is actually free. Yep, free. No licenses needed or any gotchas to burn you later down the road. The only thing your organisation really needs to do is enrol for the service and get verified. Aside from a few small little prerequisites, it's really as simple as that. Now, if you are liking this video and you want to see more content like this, a subscribe would be massively appreciated. So then, in terms of prerequisites, I want to briefly run you through the basic steps needed to get started. Firstly, your organisation will need what's called a Dun & Bradstreet number, or otherwise known as a DUNS number. A DUNS number is a unique identifier assigned to a business entity and is recognised as a world standard, so as you can see, it's quite important that you get this bit done first, and right. A number can be obtained directly from the Dun & Bradstreet website. Link to the website is in the description. Once your organisation has received the DUNS number via email, head on over to the Apple Business Manager portal at business.apple.com. And again, all links are in the description for you. At the Apple Business Manager portal, you'll want to select Enroll Now and then follow through the registration process until you get to the point where you can select the Submit button. After pressing the Submit button, you'll be presented with a screen which illustrates a timeline to show you the stage at which your application process is at. Now, at this point, it's time to sit back and relax. Apple will take up to 5 business working days to review your application. Towards the end, they will contact the person who you have designated as the person to authorise the application on behalf of your organisation. Once verified, Apple will send you an email with a link to show you how to get started. Before access is granted to the Apple Business Manager portal, you must first create an Apple ID. This Apple ID will be used as the primary administrator in the Apple Business Manager portal. And there you have it. Your Apple Business Manager portal is now ready for use. It is important to ensure you have obtained permission from the person for whom you have designated as the authorizing contact for the Apple Business Manager enrolment application. It's also prudent to validate the contact details for that person. Otherwise, you might run the risk of causing further delays in the verification process. Join us in the next video where we will do a deep dive into the Apple Business Manager registration and enrolment process. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.